na broken English sa lalinga. E baru tengok suka na table living grabe. May no baka tambi siya.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Good morning, good Andres, to everyone tuning in this beautiful Monday morning. It is becoming beautiful because we can finally see the sun is shining.
All right. See, the cloud is on top.
Yes.
Like this yesterday, there's a heavy rain across the
Continent.
roof. Because we are thankful. See the running the force of the water.
Yes.
Plenty of us we may be hate the weather because that stop us from going to church. But
true.
there are some living organisms, they are very happy.
Yes.
Long time they never see the rain. They have been full force yesterday, especially to the plants.
Yes.
You see themselves, they are waving their hands, green leaves. That helps in our healthy living.
Don't know
Our subject.
Tell us the process of rain.
The process of rain. You'll never know the process of rain if you never see a smoke.
Right.
Because smokes that carry the beneath, the beneath of the clouds. And the clouds, when the waters in the land, that been evaporated, that been absorbed by the sunlight, that carries up on top. It's a process of evaporation. Let's go to the clouds. The clouds are forming. When you see the clouds is white, that means the clouds is very, 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 very whitish. When you see the clouds, it's coming black. Let's see, it's about to hit a mountain. When it hits the mountain, it's heavy and hits the mountain. That's where the cycle of the rain is coming. When you see them, they are different kind of rain. In the land, they are very small drops. So when you are in the sea, there are different size of droplets coming from the rain. It's very, very big. And I don't know why they are bigger and smaller.
Why is it the ocean when it's like sunny day, on a sunny day, it looks bright? You can look beneath the sea. How about when it's raining? Is it still the same? Or
it depending on the water coming from the mountain.
Right, go.
It depending on the water coming from the mountain. If the wuriwai, if the river is wubu, is brownish. If the river is brownish, it can carry weight and affect the sunshine of the sea. And also, it depends on how strong the wave is. Okay,
Right.
Okay, all
Hey,
right.
good morning, Mr. Melina Adelebu.
Ano
Our professor is explaining the rain.
So when you go to the sea,
Yes.
sometime when you are ready to go and spear fish, and you see the so you go to another side. It depending on what kind of sea you have.
Right.
Oh,
Right. Some of us Ndevo, then after that Batilili, you're going right, depending on which current the water is coming from, and the weather, and the wind. If from us that side, if it's northern, oh, that one is a rough one.
Ano na lo monitoli na LM69. No sorry to yung tsumbe to the sama wise. Matang John Kumar and matang ko bikin sama tsumbe na bitulong ni sala. Ni Andra ni Maribel. There's another question I would like to ask. Okay. Why
Sweat in the night when it's cold?
Why do we sweat? Cold sweat in the night. When it's cold.
This is what happened yesterday.
All right.
We feel both. From the Wilebu and Lolombu.
Right.
There is a high on Zoroko, Mbulaminaka to all the Coke's factory. Thank you very much. If somebody getting sweat in the night, yesterday, I feel it too. It's very cold, but I'm sweat. And the sweat is very coldish.
Okay.
Right.
And I want to ask this question today, but I too face the same problem.
It's the process of condensation.
Condensation gorna sud.
Okay. When someone loves another person. The process within the body, the mind, the soul, and the spirit. What happens inside?
What happened inside, we never see. But our enzyme, the hemoglobin, and our cell membranes that feels and endures, just like Leo Canadi.
Right, carry on. At the second tutunga,
Yeah.
the thing will come up, you know?
Yeah.
Like you feel love.
Because the hormone.
Yeah. Like
the
you love
hormone.
somebody. Automatically,
The hormone.
it's gonna, there should be a process there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because the hormone
Yeah.
that connects everything. He is like a runner.
Yeah.
Kau pakai mento talai.
Okay.
The hormone. Just like this.
Yeah.
Your hormone can feel something is in front of you.
Yeah.
That's why horse and dog see evil spirit coming in the night. They stop.
Yeah.
Oh.
You never saw.
Right.
Yeah.
That's why the children they see. You never
Right.
cease.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah, they see because that hormone that
Right.
connect them within their bone cell that feel them to see what is happening.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
So you whenever your hormone,
Yeah.
the ethylene,
Right.
the androgen,
Yeah.
that's a kind of hormone we have. Androgen.
Penicillin.
Huh?
Penicillin.
Penicillin is for the boiling. When you matinimbo. Sometimes when we, okay, then in the daurere tangaya,
Yeah.
that's where androgen is releasing that hormone.
Yeah.
Ethylene is helping for the milking,
Right.
Yeah.
especially for the cow. That happen. If you see your hormone or your hormone is on par,
Yeah.
is moving towards in a proper place at the right time,
Yeah.
that means you are healthy.
I see something new.
Come.
Vaseline.
Vaseline is for the ramkas.
I like
Awan ko, Vaseline ko rin ng ramkas. Isa. Good morning to Esa Barasta. Mula na katamay Rusi. Thank you very much. All the way from my beautiful island. And say good morning to the people from Sosonadeva Kandavu. Also Tumbulia, Ono Kandavu.
Iyo.
And everyone
Yeah.
in the Kandavu.
When will you go
new
there?
village,
When
ma.
will you go
My-
to your
My
homeland?
village.
My village.
Right.
When will you go to Kandavu?
Coming soon. Coming soon.
Coming.
Warna lalo.
Bruce Lee.
Isa. All the best to all the students for their exam, the year 12.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Naway kama may ngawango. Oh, doon pula minakanawe ka ni Bubale may naway kama.
Yeah.
Isa. Sa totokan din na. May sawayeke, may
Tukunos
bione.
tukunos sempo se dams just like Baby Shark.
Hey, whose team? Laman ni Saw?
Yes.
Oh, John Kumar, bula binaka brada. Lewa Karade. Esa turang landa.
So.
John Kumar. On Rocco High. Isa, Sunday day, long time. LM69, Northern Osori. West Tonganivalu. Inawalebu. Tabulo Mambua. Bulare tamay semi eparama. Isa, totok bauti. We are
Andela
then
meni bombo.
Wani binawi kami rangoni sa marutong ko na itubuto ba sa tunong ngon ko na sere kinakoro na bonto ose.
Iyo.
Na were na baging kitaya. Sila pul bertor tumena koro warungan den go isuba.
Sili why na volleyball.
Na wala tama vida
Ule.
So sa gabi buto kisuba bando ang go la ko mena koro la ko meni anu.
Ule ka na DMC.
DMC talaga ni bangko na sisili na pool. Dio kento na wili onto ngay na pool ba kami to naka ready ra ke.
Yeah.
Sila na pool ngay roka karkaraw. La. Lako bang ko na bakararay na takos na bondo na kampa liba-liba.
Right.
Bouncy castle. Wili rin sarang na dinosaur.
Gori.
So nakabaya Dana binakatamin da may rey na tuyo suba. Ilindala ko na koro.
Oh.
Nawose, nakanaura, naway tuyo, nasisili,
natambuka,
na tetey, nanreken-reke.
Right.
Sanda, lis, wawatala no.
Bito, nambiling-bili.
Kori.
Tapatali.
Pay matagal.
Pagkatakaw, napakatatalo.
Kahit kung nilibang ko na, salis tala may siyang kasi botala sa bulingay ke. Kahit tu tali tu bumbu na dumi pa kande meni.
Kori.
Lako, kunin lang katak.
Nakarautin India.
Lay, kaya ngo na bang ko, napakasile buto tavo.
Play Cowboys.
Play Cowboys, sila sumay sabo dito. Ngayon ko na tunivingo, lele naman sabude. Siya di nga ko may bitong aloto ka ba nini binakasabi na tawanga na loto, binawali sara. Minayo.
Yeah.
Binawali. Kikimuni kay sara supabay sa tulia sa sikikibikaw.
Yeah.
Na korbo ko na malatatay lebu.
Oh,
Kita